iPhone charger 7 feet long lightning cable for charging with USB wall charger adapter or portable charger to your iPhone 13, 12, 11, XR, XS, X, 8, 7, 6, 5, SE. Also works great as for Apple iPad charger for Air, Pro or iPad mini. Flat cable style. Designed for tangle-free charging. The flat smooth cable can be wrapped away and stored when not in use. Created so charging is less of a hassle with the modern, durable style. Long iPhone charger. Our 7 feet heavy-duty iPhone charger cord has a long length for conveniently charging in multiple locations to reach outlets and adapters. The lightweight cord can be used in your home office or on the go. About us. TalkWorks offers tech accessories that make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Our products include phone charging accessories, gaming accessories, charging cables, power banks, and much more. Top reviews from the United States. Trouble-free. What's there really to say about this power cord? It does what it claims and stays tangle and knot free. The rubber cord sheathing feels like it will hold up to use and the quality overall feels substantial and like it will last. I do wish they offered more color options. Made nicely in China.